Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the Indian healing clay, also known as Bentonite clay, and apple cider vinegar mask. Firstly, I'm going to show you how I make it, the application, then the results, and what I thought about it. What you're going to need is apple cider vinegar, Indian healing clay, also known as Bentonite clay, water, oils of your choice, a mixing bowl, and a stirring utensil. Firstly, you're going to need 4 ounces or half a cup of Indian healing clay. You're also going to need 1 tablespoon each of the oils of your choice. Here I use castor oil and I'm also going to use olive oil. It is recommended that you can also use coconut oil or sweet almond oil. Now for the apple cider vinegar, you're going to need 6 tablespoons of this. Allow 10 to 15 seconds for it to foam before adding water. This is essential for avoiding a lumpy mix. Now you need to add 3 tablespoons of water. Stir everything until it's smooth and with minimal lumps. When applying the mask, make sure your hair is clean, wet or damp. Divide your hair into small sections when applying the mask, making sure that the mask is covering all of your hair. If you find that your hair is drying during the process, keep a water spray bottle handy so that you can spritz your hair along the way. So I decided to go underneath the steamer. You can either cover your hair with a plastic cap or plastic bag for 20 to 30 minutes, or you can use a hooded dryer or steamer like I have. This allows for extra penetration. So after being under the steamer for about 20 to 30 minutes, I washed it out, and then I used a conditioner, and I let that sit for about 10 minutes before washing that out. Then I put my leave-in products in afterwards. So I've done put in my leave-in products, and yeah, this has to be like panda my 90, but yeah. This is the next day results and I am so pleased with it. I did it about 2 to 3 weeks ago and I loved it, and I did it again yesterday and I just love the results. My hair is very prone to frizz. You can still see there's frizz around, but that is just how my hair is. But I would say I am very happy with the definition of the curls. I am, like I said before, I am very happy with the results. Usually when I do wash and goes, the definition isn't really there. It is a messy process, I would say, the whole putting in the mask thing, and it does have that very interesting apple cider vinegar smell, but it's fine. I think the results are well worth it. So also in my blog post, which will be up soon this weekend, there will be links to where you can get all the stuff from and what you should be using, and my recommendations of the process and the method that I personally use. There's different methods that you can use. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I will see you very soon. Bye.